Hi, this video is about square graduation. Create a central pattern. My advice for you: work separately with hair above and behind the ear. Slightly above of occipital bone, create a horizontal pattern. Now, from the one point, take slightly diagonally section and continue in pivoting technique. Form first cut line. This video is quite unusual and quite different than my previous video. If you haven't seen my previous video, please feel free and check them out on my YouTube channel. But I'd like to say, usually for step-by-step video I prefer to use doll's hair. In my opinion, doll's hair is easier for understanding exactly for step-by-step video. But this one is an exception. This is my real customer in my real salon. I wanted to show you that all techniques, all videos which you can find on my YouTube channel, you can use directly for your customer in your salon. Take second diagonal section from the one point. Pay attention, the main idea of this technique: you have to compensate the natural shape of the head, try to save the angle behind the ear. Now, move in parallel sections and use your previous section as a guide. In front, take a horizontal section and take a small section behind the ear. Use a small section behind the ear as a guide and continue your cut line. Continue the same technique and repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Now, time for rub drying. Avoid roots volume. After blow drying, spend enough time for refine.